Hi everyone. Welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and an unboxing of Don Garlits Wyn's Charger AMT ERTL kit. You know how I feel about ERTL kits. I got this as a companion to the mongoose that we just made. So if you haven't seen this one, check it out. I had got 2 updates and it was done. But I wanted one to go with it. So I grabbed this one, not even thinking about it. This is 1/25th scale, and the mongoose is 1/24th scale. So there's going to be a little size difference. But you know what? It'll still look good in the display. Before I want to get into this, though, I'd like to do a nice plug for the Automotive Model Car Livecast. These guys are on every Thursday night at 8 p.m. and they talk for about an hour and a half. But man, they cover so much cool stuff, and it's just a great group of guys just hanging out and talking. If you want to listen to these guys, they're great. I've kind of power watched all. I'm all caught up now, so I can't wait till Thursday. But yeah, it's worth checking out. I'll have the description down below in the descriptions with the link to where you can go and get there. And like I said, it's every Thursday night on YouTube, and check them out. So back to the Don Garlits Charger. I picked this up at the model show the other day, and just because I saw it and had to have it, you know how that goes. It's like shiny object things, and I haven't opened anything up yet. So let's start out. You know what? Let's start out like I always do. I'll pull all this stuff out of here. I'm going to show you the glass real quick because it's real quick. There's the glass. This kit's been around a while. I'm really not sure the age, but I bet you any money if I buy 6 of these kits and send it in, I'm not going to get the 7th one. We should do it though. I'm sure I have the box tops for these. Next on the list is the decals. Let me pull you in here. Kind of hard to see because it's in white, but Don Garlits is in here. There we go. We'll try. It's so dang bright in here. We got Don Garlits. We got the Waynes. Typical dragster. All these are one decal. So we'll see how that comes apart, and should just drop right on. I've never had a problem with an ERTL decals, except for when they hit, they stick really quick. So there we go. Looks really good. Still in great shape for God knows how old it is. This was on top of it. Subscribe to Blue Printer. Not sure if Blue Printer's around or not either. I never did any of those. The instructions are the typical AMT. I just felt something hit the ground. So if we come up missing a part, I know I got to go look for something. But the typical AMT, let me pull you back out here. Instructions, easy to follow, you know, self-explanatory. It's got the decal call out for everything, you know, on the top. Engine and blower setup. You know, it's really easy. Look, it even talks to you more detail. Drill out your headers. They even give you the drill a 0.63 diameter hole in them. So they even give you the drill size. But there we go. I was always good at folding maps because of all the instructions that I went through. Our rear tires. Typical, they're Goodyears. The typical cutouts. Nice slicks. We have a fan belt. A little bit stretchy, so we get it to fit. A little bit dirty. We could wash that off. I found out that you can wash this stuff pretty good. We have our chrome. Let's go for the main bag. Yeah, I want to go into chrome. Gosh, we can't pass up chrome. And like I said, I'm not sure the age of this kit. Figuring around the 70s, but who knows? And I'm not sure if it's ever been repopped or not either. But boy, that's bright chrome. We'll see how much of this is CLA awesome. I'll come back down here. We got our valve covers and oil pan, our blower assembly, suspension. We got our rims, backs, front suspension, our twins, our intake halves, a little bit for the fan. It's got a chrome fin on the back. Look at the shine in that, huh? I don't know if that's going to hit LA Awesome or not. We might leave that real shiny chrome. We can flag down airplanes with that. Our hubs, good to go. That was quick and bright. Not a big parts count on these things. And I think this is even less. I love these scissors. Somebody mentioned how much they liked them too. And these were given to me several years ago. And you saw they're still sharp as the day I got them. Nothing in the bag. I'm still thinking about what just hit me in the knee. We got a parachute. Let's move all this out. And we'll start with one here. We got our headers. Yeah, this is a lot smaller than the other one, but it'll be all right. We got our front wheels, headers. We got our part of our frame and support for the back fin, rear end. And this is a three-piece body. It's got your front and then the top. Nice. I don't see diddly squat for flash. Maybe just a little bit here. We're going to have to scrape that anyhow because of the mold line, so no biggie. There's our first of 2 sprues. Here's our second. We got our bottom. We got another belt here. Our engine, our heads. One of them's about ready to fall off. Parachute and parachute back. It looks like a radiator. No, it doesn't. It looks like an intake. What the heck? Our tub, yeah, this is very much smaller. And that's got some belts molded right in it. So we can detail that up a little bit. No people with this one, unfortunately. But it looks really good. Like I said, it's molded really, really well. We have our behind the tub. And like I said, the frame here. And it looks like it's got pins. Not sure if this piece pins to it or if something else does. I think something else does. That sits on there nice though. So pretty cool. I gotta love these dragsters. And then we got a one-piece frame. Taking a quick look at it. And back you up here so you can take a quick look at it too. It's just pretty much the same build style as the Mongoose was. It's got the 2 posts in the front for the front suspension to lay in, the front axle. And I like that because it set it in there and set it down, and you knew it was going to be poker straight. So, but this looks good. No, doesn't look like it's flared or bent or anything. So nice shape. And then we got a chute. Don't think I'm going to be putting the chute on there, but you never know. And I think this even has, and I didn't see it, but I thought it had an open chute, or maybe that was the other one. Yeah, no, I don't see it. But, geez, we're into this by all of about 7 minutes, and we're already done. Like I said, it's a quick parts count, and it should be a fairly quick build, too. But you know me, I'm going to get into it. We're going to wire this baby up. Since it doesn't have the fuel lines, we're going to definitely put in our fuel lines and stuff. And we'll go to town on it. Even though our carbs and stuff are tiny, we'll be able to take care of that. I can't even tell what all this is. I don't have my glasses on, so I'm kind of blind here. But it looks good. we'll have fun with this. It'll be like we did the, look at the bright shine on that. We did an unboxing, and we'll probably do a finale on it. Unless something really cool shows up and I just really want to show you. But there we go with the Wayne's charger from Don Garlits. Love Don Garlit, man. I watched these guys growing up, and they were the reason why I really got into cars. And I really didn't get into NASCAR that much. But these guys, man, I would sit there and Wide World of Sports, and I would be all over it. So there you go. I hope you like the quick one. I will let you go. Y'all have a great day and a better tomorrow. And thank you very much for watching.